Wort is the liquid extracted from the mashing process during the brewing of beer or whiskey. Wort contains the sugars that will be fermented by the brewing yeast to produce alcohol. Production. The first step in wort production is to make malt from dried, sprouted barley. The malt is then run through a roller mill and cracked. This cracked grain is then mashed, that is, mixed with hot water and steeped, a slow heating process that enables enzymes to convert the starch in the malt into sugars. At set intervals, most notably when the mixture has reached temperatures of 45, 62 and 73 degrees Celsius, the heating is briefly halted. The temperature of the mixture is usually increased to 78 degrees Celsius for mash-out. Lautering is the next step, which means the sugar extracted grist or solids remaining in the mash are separated from the liquid wort. In home brewing, the malt making and mashing steps can be skipped by adding malt extract to water. The mixture is then boiled to sanitize the wort and, in the case of most beer production, to extract the bittering, flavor and aroma from hops. In beer making, the wort is known as sweet wort until the hops have been added, after which it is called hopped or bitter wort. The addition of hops is generally done in 3 parts at set times. The bittering hops, added first, are boiled in the wort for approximately 1 hour to 1.5 hours. This long boil extracts resins, which provides the bittering. Then, the flavoring hops are added, typically 15 minutes from the end of the boil. The finishing hops are added last, toward the end of or after the boil. This extracts the oils, which provide flavor and aroma but evaporate quickly. In general, hops provide the most flavoring when boiled for approximately 15 minutes, and the most aroma when not boiled at all. At the end of boiling, the hot wort is quickly cooled to a temperature favorable to the yeast. Once sufficiently cooled, the yeast is added, or pitched, to begin the fermentation process. The adjunct grains that can be added to the mash include wheat, corn, rye, and rice. Adjunct grains may first need gelatinization and cooling. They are used to create varietal beers such as wheat beer and oatmeal stout, to create grain whiskey, or to lighten the body as in commercial, mass-produced pale lagers. References